I'm here just from. I'm here just from appreciation and interest of the plant. Here you can see where they have been growing it for hundreds and hundreds of years. Of course, interesting to see how they view after the plant, how they use the plant, because it's purely natural and it's purely from their own perception. There's nothing really scientific method behind it. This is still the original way, traditional way they've been consuming the plant and how they appreciate the plant. The interesting part is, like I said, like if you look at the end of the branches where it grows, it is more red. There's no question about it. Once you go back to the branch, a little bit more behind the branch, the redness disappears, and I'm sure that is the development of the alkaloids within the plant. Dark green leaves, yeah. So just visually, this one looks like a very good, strong genetic. For someone who don't know better, of course the farmer knows the best, but if I would come here and I would look at it, I would be like, well, I mean, this looks healthy. Leaves, big leaves, they're dark green. Even the new leaves, spikes.